Looking for women's athletic apparel for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, Ncaa Women's Campus Specialties Quarter Zip Buffalo Check Fleece 100% anti-pill spun polyester quarter zip fleece pullover by Crable. Number 2, lightweight and soft rayon / poly blend open cardigan. Fully fashioned sleeves for strength, comfort and longer wear. Rib knit neckline, cuffs, and hem for perfect fit, another great product by Crable. Number 3, Ncaa Women's Campus Specialties Hooded Sweater. Lightweight rayon / poly blend hooded sweater with striped sleeve. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.